Hi everyone, we have a nice equation that we should find x and y. Let's go to solve. Solution. On left side we have x squared minus y squared and equals right side we can write as an identity x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. Now we can add negative x squared on both sides to solve at this on both sides, so we can cancel out this and this. So we have negative y squared on left side and minus 2xy plus y squared on right side. Here we can bring all on one side, so we can write 2xy minus y squared equals 0. So we have 2xy minus 2y squared equals 0. Here, as you see, 2y is common here. We can take it out, 2y times x minus y equals 0. So we have two cases here. First, 2y equals 0 and y is 0 here, and also x minus y equals 0, and here x equals y, so x is 0 also. To check, x squared minus y squared equals x minus y all squared. Here, if y is 0, x squared minus 0 squared equals x minus 0 all squared. On left side we have x squared equals right side we have x squared, and that's right. And if x equals y on left side, y squared minus y squared equals y minus y all squared, and this is 0 equals 0. That's right. So if you like that, don't forget to subscribe me. Goodbye guys.